Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video, what about I talk to you for how to turn on or off core isolation memory integrated in Windows level. Before that, like and comment this video, subscribe our YouTube channel, and this method step by step follow to this problem. Fix it or turn it on or off. Seeing there, okay. First step, restart. Okay, go to start menu, then power key press, restart button click here to restart it, and go to the next step. That step, core isolation memory integrated. So go to the search bar, then type that Windows security, then click here. Now go to that device security, then core isolation detail, click on it, then memory integrated, turn on, this turn off, again turn on. So simply few methods. This method right to this error, this turn on and off, you are get it. Thanks for watching and like and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe. It's more like this video you have, then subscribe our YouTube channel. Comment section, go to comment.